Hey Cravers, we're here at the airport kasi we're going to Hong Kong. I'm so excited. It's my first time going to Hong Kong. It's been a while since I visited a new country. It's already 3 o'clock. My flight is at 6:15. Tapos I'm just waiting for my friend Chinky. Nandun pa siya sa check-in counter. So we're heading to immigration very soon. Hopefully, mabilis lang sa immigration and we have time to go to the lounge. So we're getting to Pags. Ito lang siya, nandun sa may baba ng immigration. Wala siyang malaking sign, pero ayan, makikita mo na ganyan. And then this is the Pags Lounge. Hi! Under maintenance now, so it's a bit warm.
Or you want to, we can transfer you po to our extension lounge.
Saan naman yun?
Other side po, far end.
Okay.
After A lang.
Okay, sige. We're going to the other Pags Lounge kasi daw sarado yung AC. It's so nice of them na mag-offer, in fairness, na apparently may isa pang lounge. Hindi ko rin napapansin yun before. Okay. Okay. So this is the other Pags Lounge. Very unassuming. I wouldn't have guessed na may lounge here. Hi, galing kami sa other side.
Check ka na lang po yung mga boarding passes.
Okay, it's a lot smaller than the other Pags Lounge. Pero may food naman, saka may mga drinks. Let me show you. So, ito yung fridge. The same thing, mayroong wine. Tapos yung mga yogurt, beer, yung Schweppes, mga soda, tapos may water. Same thing, may juice station. And yung mga glasses, may alcohol. Let's check out the food. So, we have the same thing then. So, may chicken bola-bola. Ayan, may siopaw, may manto. Tapos here, yung favorite natin, na chicken siomai. Oh, this is different. Century siomai. Wala yung Japanese siomai. May halal food then, like beef and chicken. I think this is the congee. Uy, may prawn bisque. Tapos, may coffee machine din. And if you're a tea person, may mga tea. So, dyan ka makuha. Check natin dito sa site na to. I think nandito yung mga dessert. Okay, so I think yung different lang dito is nakascatter yung food versus being in one place. So, ayan yung mga bread. May tuna melt and cheese pimento. Oh, there's flan. I don't remember having flan. Parang may halo-halo station here. I know someone who loves halo-halo. Ayan. Tapos may mga cookies and bars and may cereal. Oopsie! Nagdulo ko si DJI ko. Ayan. Oh my gosh, may nachos. Alam mo, akala ko walang nachos kasi wala siya dun sa kabila. But it's the same thing. Ayan, so may nachos. Ayan, may taco meat. Meron pa rin ng mga other things sa kabila. And then yung pasta is the same. Ayan, may pasta puttanesca. And, oh, may roast beef. I'm not sure kung exactly the same yung food sa kabila. Pero giving yung food ngayon. Pero ayan, maliit lang siya. Konti lang yung seats. Buta nalipat kami dito ni Chinky. Just waiting for her. Tapos kuha tayo ng food. This is plate number 1. So I have siomai. This is my favorite. Kasi yung dip ko, ang daming garlic. Tapos may nachos ako. And this is the first for me, yung prawn bisque. Tatry ko pa lang siya. And I have water. Para later, walwalan. With Chinky. Okay. Sobrang favorite ko dito yung siomai. So I already bought 3. Like before, I ate more than 3. Nakaka-happy. Kinabahan ako kasi akala ko kanina walang nachos. Kasi nakascatter yung mga food around the place. Hindi siya yung parang nasa isang place. Pero may nachos. Now, try natin yung soup. Saks lang. It's really prawny. Sarap naman. Okay, round 2, we have pasta puttanesca. Meron ding roast beef. Or ano ba yun? Roast beef nga ba? or something. Basta
Yeah.
beef something.
Hindi naman siya stroganoff, there's no mushroom.
Parang no. Saks lang yung putanesca. Yung beef. Okay naman. Drink of choice is absolute. Parang kunyari nasa workroom tayo ng RuPaul's Drag Race. Okay. Lasing time. They have tonic water. They also have soda water. Yan. So, whatever your choice is. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba itong pinili ko. But, whatever. Cheers! It's always drunk o'clock somewhere. I got myself halo-halo. Actually, may halo-halo glass sila. But, I don't think kaya ko ubusin yung ganong kataas na glass. So, kumuha na lang ko ng mas... Oh my gosh, nadurog ko yung flan. Try muna natin yung flan. Not bad. Actually, konti lang yung toppings nila. Like, they have banana, red beans, tapos yung ibang mga gulaman na lang. Oh my gosh, I forgot the pinipig. Pero ang sarap. We're finally here at Hong Kong International Airport. We left Manila around 6:30. Tapos ngayon, it's already 9:15 dito. So that's already after landing, immigration, and stuff. Super bilis lang ng immigration. Pero, yung bag drop, ay, ayan na! Bags, what does it say? Bags arriving. So, wala kasi kaming dalang Hong Kong dollars. And, ang gagawin na lang namin, mag-withdraw na lang kami here sa Bank of China. I'm not sure. Tama ba itong pinipilahan mo, Chinky? ATM ba siya?
Ito, may slot siya.
Okay.
So, let's try.
Sige. Okay, so dito pala yung mga ATMs. Huwag nyo kaming tularan. Masyadong fancy yung kanina. Ito, mukha lang siya ang totoong ATM. Ay, nakapag-withdraw na kami, and there's a maximum na pwede mong i-withdraw per transaction. So, pwede ko namang umulit-ulit if bet mo. So, yung sa akin, I just withdrew $2,500. Tapos, siguro yung nakalagay dun sa conversion niya, around 19,000 something. So, not bad, diba, Chinky? Like, parang, hindi ko Oo. Alin, yung withdraw ko. Hindi ba ganun yung withdraw mo? We're going to the city. So, we're going to Hong Kong Station. Tapos, lilipat kami sa parang another train to Causeway Bay. Yung Octopus card namin, we paid 200. So, 50 pesos, $50 doon is parang deposit or something. That's refundable naman siya. So, yung credit nung namin, nung card is 150. Excuse us! Previously on The Amazing Race, excuse us. Keep right. Dala, may iwan pa yata kami ng train. OMG. Here na lang tayo. Oh my gosh, yung backpack ko nakalaylay na siya. Yan. So, sumakay na lang kami sa train. Actually, hindi ko super sure kung tama itong sinakay kong train. Ano naman siguro itong sinakay natin? Okay. So, yun. Wala kaming in-swipe or whatever. Lilipat kami ng train papuntang Causeway Bay. Medyo madaming tao. So, it's quite a walk. Okay, we're already here at the Best Western. Sobrang haggard na. It's already at 10:45. So, check-in lang kami. And then I'll show you my room after. The smoking room. I love it. Medyo masikip pala. Okay. Empty room tour.
See-through pa rin yung mga banyo.
Okay. So, we got 2 single beds. Medyo funny yung 2 single beds nila. So, ayan, 2 nga siya, pero magkadikit lang. Tapos, may parang pa-balcony. May safe yung, ayan o, in fairness, may personal safe. So, parang may table dun sa tabi ko. Or desk. Table siya, hindi siya desk. Ayan, may TV. Okay. So, pwedeng connecting room pag bet nyo. Pero hindi naman namin kilala kung sino yung connecting. There's Chinky. Ayan, so may closet. Yung sa bathroom, may pa-bathtub. Pero medyo masikip. Okay, so yan. Yung toilet. Hello. May haggard self. Okay, medyo masikip yung bathtub. And may shower. We're super exhausted. Ang layo na nalakad namin from the train station. Siguro there should be a better route. So we will figure it out later. Papahinga lang kami and then bibili na kami ng food kasi we're so tired. Eh, sarado na sila. Okay. So close na daw. Lipat kami. Medyo maaga magsara yung mga It's 11 o'clock. We're looking for food. Dito na lang siguro kami. So, may congee, may noodles, may rice. Ayan. Tignan natin. So, we just went to a random restaurant for dinner kasi sarado na yung mga places. This is what I got. So, I got like fish balls para may mga, I think, pang innards. Ganyan. Si Chinky din, similar yung sa kanya. Parang sa kanya, instant noodle. Sa akin, rice noodles. Oh my gosh, ang init. And wala siya masyadong lasa. We're on our way to get breakfast. Ayan, we're waiting for a bus. There's Chinky. Hi, Chinky. So we're going to Happy Place. Tama ba? Happy Place? Happy ba?
Parang iba yung nasa mind ko.
We're going to Happy Valley. Parang there's a breakfast place there. Tapos may mga pineapple, whatever. Pineapple bread or something. Parang walang tapping pagbaba, Chinky. Talagang pagpanik lang. We're here! So, ito yung mga pagkain nila. May mga pork chop, chicken wings, breakfast, ayan, blah blah blah. Ay, ito na pala. So, pasok tayo. Ay. Okay, mali. Hindi pala yun yung kakainan namin. Oh my gosh.
Wait, so how do we get there?
Medyo mahaba yung pila. Hindi ko alam kung pila ba to be sat down. Okay. So, may naglilinis naman na. So, baka parang tapos na.
Ano naman, in fairness naman dito, mabilis yung turnaround kasi yung mga aunties.
This is their menu. Chinky is getting yung 5 spices diced pork instant noodle. Parang ang sarap ng char siu barbecue pork soup spaghetti. Medyo weird yung spaghetti. So, I got the pineapple bun. Tapos parang may luncheon meat siya. Saka may egg. I'm so excited. So, parang ang sarap. Ooh! Gosh. Hindi ko alam kung ba't hiniwa ko pa siya. For the camera lang. Sorry, Jinky, nauna na ako. Ang harap. Okay, let's get things straight. Parang siyang maling. Parang siyang maling. Pero ang sarap kasi nung pineapple buns. Tapos parang ang ganda ng pagkaluto sa egg. Delish! This is what Shinky's having. Shinky, ano yung sa'yo?
Spice, diced pork,
Ayan.
instant noodle.
5 spice diced pork. Tapos pinapalitan niya yung bun niya ng pineapple bun. Magdadag ka lang ng $5. So that's 35 pesos. Tapos may egg siya. Delish! I mean, mukhang delish. Ooh, ito yung Horlicks. Shinky, tama naman tong drink ko. Try natin.
You like it?
Para siyang Ovaltine, pero hindi chocolate.
Trend kasi siya.
Let's try. Thank you. Okay, nagets ko na.
Diba?
So, yung texture naman ng meat, porky naman siya. Kaso, parang ang sobrang strong ng 5 spice taste niya. So, I guess when you see 5 spice, huwag niyo siyang i-underestimate kasi 5 spice talaga siya. Ganun. Bam! Okay, so bill reveal tayo. Yung sa akin na dish, it's $29. Yung kay Chinky, it's a set, so it's $41. Nag-additional $5 siya for the pineapple bun. I think yung Horlicks niya yung $3. Yung milk tea na a la carte, yung $25. Tapos yung egg tart, $10. So, siguro per person, parang lumalabas na at least parang $50-$60 yung gano'n. Ooh, ang shaky. Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Your first tram experience.
Yes. At medyo maalog siya. Oh my God. Ganito pala siya. Parang rides.
I hope your butt doesn't go back up.
Nasa Sneaker Street na kami. Pero we saw na may summer sale sa GU. So we're going to GU para malamig din. Sobra kasing init. Like,
This is 3 floors ng GU.
I'm not expecting a lot kasi I have a feeling na mahal yung GU dito. But, we'll see. Saka kung summer siya, mas marami tayong mabibili na pwedeng suotin sa Pilipinas. Okay, so nasa men's section na tayo. Hanapin natin yung mga sale. Ayan. Ito, $99 yung shorts. Medyo hindi giving yun na. Ito, $99 din. So, parang $700 siya pag kinonvert. Medyo uso sa kanila yung sleeveless. And hindi naman ako fan nung sleeveless nila. Ayan, ito mga sando. Sleeveless. This is cute. Medyo mahal. Ito. Cute. $99. Ayan siya. Sneaker Street kami. Tapos, ayan, may New Balance. Pero parang hindi have 15% off lang nakasulat sa labas. Pero pasok tayo. Let's see. It's $899. Ito, $899 siya. Medyo mahal yun, ha? Now, sa Adidas, hindi rin siya naka-sale, actually. Ayan. So, let's check out the Samba. So, yung mga price nila, $899 din. Similar siya sa price ng New Balance. Yan. So, nakapila kami sa Mobile Softy. Alam ko, parang hindi naman, yung iba hindi nasasarapan naman here. Pero, might as well try. Maikli kasi yung pila. One, please. Yan. $13 yung Softy ice cream. Medyo mahal siya, ha? Thank you. Hi, let's see what the hype's about. Masarap naman. I think I give this 4 crazy coins. Creamy siya. Di masyadong matamis naman. Medyo mahal siya, I think, for its price. Pero ang creamy, tas ang smooth. Okay naman. In fairness, happy naman ako sa ice cream ko. Tama nga si Chinky. Parang it's not watered down. As in, parang lasang ice cream naman siya. I don't get the hate ng mga taong hindi beto. Kasi masarap naman siya. We are here at Dim Dim Sum. We're having dim sum. Of course, siguro kung if we get a table. So this is the menu. So far, dalawa pa lang napipili ni Chinky. Ako, I want some siomai. Kumakain ka naman ng Chinky, right? So, 1. Ito na. So, akala ko yung order namin ni Chinky is akala ko para siyang yung sa Tim Ho Wan na crispy pork. Yung bun niya, yung gano'n. Hindi pala, para siyang siopaw. Meron kaming chicken feet. Chinky, ano yan?
Radish cake.
Okay. May order ba tayong radish cake?
Ha?
May order tayo niyan?
Oo,
Okay.
mag-order ako.
May radish cake. So, 6 ba in order natin?
Parang 5.
Ito naman pala. So, ayan. So, I guess ito yung chicken feet, $26. Barbecue pork buns, $24. Tapos, yung radish cake, $24. 3 pieces siya. So, we're just waiting yung sa deep fried shrimp. Saka sa shrimp and pork dumplings. Isa lang yung fried namin. Siomai. Ay, ito, I guess, calamansi siya.
Or vinegar.
Eh?
Super fluffy.
Masarap. Pero to be fair kay King Chunky Asado Siopaw, close yung lasa niyan. Sarap.
Kalamansi nga.
Bean curd roll. Joe, nandito na kami sa Pioneer Center. Tignan natin kung mabibilhan ka namin ng DJI Creator Combo. Sana meron. Okay, dahil di sumasagot sila, Joe, tawagan natin si Coach Foodie. Let's see kung gusto niya yung standard version.
Sorry, HK, magkano?
4,899 yung Creator Combo. Yung standard, 3,799. So, ayun, nasagot na yung katanungan. May DJI Osmo Pocket 3 here in case you guys are looking for DJI Pocket 3. Pero walang Creator Combo. So, ayun. Okay, we're on our way to Times Square. Mi-meet naman si Jarrell. We're having dinner. Tapos, after dinner, we're going to party. Hello! Hello po!
Ay, may naka-mic talaga.
Ayan, this is Chinky.
Hi, Jarrell. Baka ano naman.
We're here at Hi Guys. Hi! So for me, I got a little bacon burger. Tapos, Jarrell and I are sharing fries. Tapos, we're pre-gaming. Ako lang pala, I'm pre-gaming. So, I ordered myself a beer. Tapos, may free nuts sila. Isn't it fun? Tapos yung nuts na parang pang elephant. Okay. So, I got some nuts. Okay, let's try the fries. Ay, hindi spicy yung kay Chinky.
Na ano?
Like potatoes talaga siya, no? Pero sobrang dami niya, Jarrell. Oh my God.
Ang pamilya, girl.
Actually, parang kasya na siya sa ating tatlo.
Dapat isa na lang in-order natin.
Oo.
Nakalimutan ko na ganito pa lang kadami to.
Ako, kumain ka na ba here before? Okay, ini-imagine ko parang siyang nilagang mani. Hindi pala.
Alam mo yung song-song sa Pilipinas? Parang gano'n.
So, dumami.
Okay, let's try the burger.
Nice. Actually, yung current manager ko, laging siya absent doon. Kasi parang mostly medical.
Pinalagay ko lahat ng toppings na gusto ko.
For you guys,
So may lettuce, may tomatoes, may mushroom, steak sauce. I think may bacon siya kasi bacon yung pinili ko. This is good. Our way to the club. Pwede bang i-YouTube yung club mo? Ay, hindi kasi makaka-copyright. So parang puro mga ano lang, music.
Unless
So yun.
papalitan mo siya ng ano,
Yeah.
patungan mo siya ng...
OK，真係十二號紅色啊！我是你 Alvin，你 so lucky，大家俾啲掌聲佢。This is your cash，恭喜發財！
Good morning! So, it's day 2. Sobrang pagod na pagod kami dun sa day 1. We were expecting na may water dito sa hotel kasi the last time Chinky was at a Best Western, meron daw parang mga water up for grabs. Kukuha ka lang ng kukuha ng water. Sadly, walang ganun dito. Yun, so kailangan mong bumili ng water. But, I think may potential naman yung place. Malapit naman kami sa mga restaurant na pinin ko sa Google Maps. So, today, I'm taking you around with me. So, I'm just waiting for Chinky to finish up and then I'll finish up as well. Tapos mag-breakfast kami. And then, we're going shopping. See you later!